Excuse me, you don't have an appointment.
I don't need an appointment. Sit down, shut up, and listen. Harvey might forgive you because you returned those recordings, but I don't.
Donna.
Not done. What Harvey did with Gillis, it was harsh. But using what I told you in a private conversation, that crosses a line that even Harvey never would.
Donna.
Still not done. When you left our firm, you left me, too. But I honestly thought that we'd always be friends. Now, I'm not so sure.
Amy, did you send Donna the package?
Guilt gift. Didn't open it.
It was a Balenciaga classic town bag.
Ivory?
Anthracite with an outside pocket.
His idea or yours? Don't answer that. It was yours.
I'm sorry, Donna.
You and Harvey want to knock each other out, you go right ahead. But don't ever betray me again. Nice shoes.
She's even better than I imagined.